Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another live trading session. This is Trade the Future. It is June 17th, Friday, 2022. I know I said those dates kind of weird, but we are on the last day of trading for this week. As you can see, pre-market, we had a nice grind up. We almost got to the point of control from, what's this? Point of control from Tuesday. Almost got there, and then we lost the value area low from Tuesday. Came up, test, reject, and now we came all the way down here. Got 2.5 minutes before the market opens. This candle is looking like a good bounce. However, context is a downtrend. We broke this uptrend here. We could be coming up to retest it. Market's about to open. We have this nice rejection off the 9 SMA. We have the previous low here that we broke yesterday. Did come back up, and we retested it several times. In the live session here, as you can see, broke it, retest, fail, came back up, retest, failed. We did almost retest it, or we did retest it on the overnight, but we were able to get above it. However, I'm not sure what the market wants to do this morning. We could have short sellers covering their shorts, so we could see a rally, or we could see the market continue to sell off, or we could have nothing happen whatsoever. We can go totally sideways. But regardless, we're going to try to trade accordingly, and interested to see what happens up here. If we are able to get above this level, we'll definitely go up to value area low. If we come up and retest and fail, definitely see us go to point of control. But anyone's guess this morning. We had a bit of a sell-off when Powell said in a meeting this morning that the Fed vows to acutely be focused on bringing down inflation. So obviously that's the narrative: rate hikes and inflation, and the market took a little bit of a leg lower. I think it was about this candle here, and then we had some continued selling. Looking kind of bearish so far. Delta's still looking strong. Not 100% sure. Could come up and test this volume area up here. That's where we failed from the overnight. Markets have opened up, and we're gonna try to be patient today and see what the market gives us. Looks like we have a nice bounce here off the pre-market level. Coming back up. Curious to see what happens here if we test this area. This morning the dollar is up because the conference that Powell's at was talking about the dollar, and after his comments the dollar got stronger today. 10 years also up 0.8, dollars up 0.8. Volatility for the Nasdaq is up almost 10%. VIX for the S&P is down. Currently we're opening up pretty flat here. I continue to watch what happens. Here we are, testing previous low again. Testing value or VWAP. Pretty strong up move. EOS hasn't tested the VWAP yet. Like to see a retest down here if we are truly bullish. Delta's pretty strong. However, we still have 3 minutes left in this 5-minute candle. Now we're losing that area significance. We were able to march right above it pretty quickly. Pretty strong move to the upside. Good rejection of the 21 SMA. I'm going to give it a minute or so here. I'd like to see how the next 5-minute candle plays out. Looking pretty strong so far. Delta's making higher highs here. See what a pullback looks like. Nice bounce off VWAP. ES has not made it to VWAP yet. Lagging behind the NAS. Pretty strong deltas here though. Perfect double top, it seems. They're gonna run it. Good buy up from the bulls. Strong buy up from the bulls. Could be short coverings. Maybe we should have went long once we broke this, at least on the retest. Just a straight up move. Straight up move with Delta looking pretty strong. I'm not a fan of chasing this. If we are bullish, I'd like to see a pullback and then a resumption up. Don't want to be too hasty on a Friday. Does look pretty bullish here. We're trying to reverse. We do have the 9 SMA all the way down here. It is starting to curl over. Price action looks pretty bullish. We do have some sellers poking through here. As the market's trying to go, getting some top wicks here, but it doesn't mean that we're going to come back down. Looks like we're going to go to value area low. Just hesitant going long here just because pretty big pop here. Start of a new 5-minute candle. Could have went long here, but we had VWAP up here in the 21 SMA, so I wasn't comfortable going long. Right at VWAP here with the ES. Really strong rally. Again, this could be short coverings, getting rid of their shorts weekend. Just gonna be patient. It's a Friday, there's really no need to rush into a trade. We're breaking the uptrend. Really not something I want to short either. as it's starting to come down. Getting some nice buyers holding it up. Gonna run this double top, possibly. Did make a lower low and a lower high. Somewhat of a downtrend. Still have buyers here. Lose this area, we should come down right here. Perfect double bottom there. Got the sellers coming through. Looks like we're pulling back here. That's why I didn't want to go long. Could bounce off VWAP. See if it holds. Very strong bounce off VWAP. Minute left on this 5-minute candle. What's on off volume? Control flipped. VWAP again. Those still coming down. You have a nice bounces off VWAP. Possibly looking to go long here, but see us resume, break this downtrend. Good break. Let's see how fast we go to value area low. It's pretty quick. The delta buyers coming in. Nice break there. Above valley area low. Looking for possibly the overnight. A little bit above the overnight highs there. And we're out. 865 one trade. Really can't complain with that on a Friday. Looking at this trade, we had a beautiful uptrend, nice strong buyers coming in. Delta was able to make higher highs as price was also moving higher. We had a minor pullback down to VWAP here. We just hit that overnight high. Definitely could have held this trade on longer. Obvious target was point of control, but I just didn't want to hold on to that much or that long. This was literally a minute trade, and we got 865 out of it right away. It's a Friday. I feel like trading light today. Don't need to go and be a hero. But I do think point of control is definitely on the table. Above that, we're going to high from yesterday. If we're able to maintain up there, then we're definitely going to be moving up into these areas here. But yeah, market's pulling back again. Could be a retest of this area. Do have some high volume down here though, so we could come all the way back down. But primarily why I wanted to get out of that trade. Perfect double top here, so I feel like that'll get ran eventually. But really happy with that trade. 865, one trade and done. I think I am done for today. And I'm just gonna call it there because it's a Friday, and making $800, within 10 minutes of the market open is pretty good. And I'm just gonna leave it at that and just be done. I'm probably gonna come run this. We had a nice retest of Valley area high. This area here again, we ran it. Don't know if we're gonna continue. Seems like point control is definitely on the table, but primarily why I got out of that trade. It had a really good entry. It's the only thing I wish I held on to, just because my entry is really good, but hit my profit target. I'm happy with that. One and done, and I am definitely done for today. I'm gonna turn off the program and just be done. It's a Friday. One trade and done. Happy with that. If you guys are continuing to trade, I hope you have a profitable day. Manage your risk, and I will see you in the next video.